Coney Island. Here's my sister, and here's my brother. We might do a part 2 because
Nobody did part 2.
yes, we're gonna go to part 2.
Nothing gonna be a part 2 video.
Yeah, these are part 2 videos, guys. So today
Nobody like part 2
so
videos.
today we're gonna
I'm
go.
gonna leave these plays.
Okay.
I want some other videos.
Okay, so for today we're gonna go to a adventure to go to Coney Island. Yeah, guys, we're gonna ride our bike. My mom actually found a boo boo and gave it to his thing. Look, guys, come. If it's real or fake, so this is a bacon into energy.
Yeah, bacon into energy.
Oh, bake. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go to another adventure. For every day, we ride every train. Got it? Okay, I'm gonna run. I did not bring it because I didn't know it was gonna be cold. Now we're gonna go there. Okay, guys. So you're gonna see lots of people going today. So we might do a part 2. Let's go. Okay, remember the last video I was covering my camera, so this time now actually not covering our camera. Today there's no people that's walking that way. So now we're gonna go back to Big Parkway Station, but we're gonna go to the Coney Island direction. Last time when we were going to Coney Island, and there was only N train. There was a D train coming, and then my mom and my sister saw an orange cube. The comments down below if you also see an orange cube. Okay, guys, we're almost there to Big Parkway Station. And look at that avenue. Oh, guys.
It's not time yet.
We might go to the train station. The train station is right next to this store that we usually go to grocery. Guys, now we're here. Which train? Two minutes to Coney Island. Guys, our train's coming in 2 minutes. No, 6 minutes. Oh, Mom, you have an Omni card?
Can you wait? She's gonna open the door.
Look, guys, we have an Omni.
Why not stay here?
Good. Okay, guys, so remember when we were going to the... What is that, entry? Is that entry? That's an entry, guys. That is an entry. I thought that was our, like we were going to Coney Island and train. So let's go.
They didn't see the sign of the entry. They went too fast.
Oh, there's so many people. Our train is coming in 2 minutes, guys. So we're just gonna wait until 2 minutes. Look at that.
Wait.
There's look at reading.
Just stay right here. On my feet. That's it.
There's birds right there. Look. So there's like birds. There's like birds. Yeah, look, you can see the birds right there. You can see birds right there.
Show the sign over there to Coney Island.
Okay, guys, read this.
Stairway.
And train and to Coney Island, Swab Avenue all time. Okay, so we're just gonna wait until the next.
So what is since it's over there 2 minutes?
No, that's where we're entering. That's Manhattan. Come on, that's Manhattan.
Next time we're gonna go to Manhattan.
It's too big. This part keep on falling. This one goes for keep on falling on.
Guys, we're at Big Parkway Station. Look, it says Avenue O to West 7. Guys, I think I hear something.
Here, come right here.
I hear something. Guys, I think our train is here. Our train is here, guys. Our train is here. Our train is here. Our train. Our train. Our train is here, guys.
Wait.
I don't want to sit there. Come back. We see another train, guys. There's another train here. Yeah, now's the entrance.
You need to take a picture.
Take a picture?
Yeah.
Is this stop?
Huh?
Is this
No,
stop?
don't. You don't have to stop. Just click on it and then it takes a picture.
Avenue U. Maybe.
It's showing the wall.
There are lots of people want to go to Coney Island. We're also at the first car. Okay, then now let's go. Okay, now we're moving. We just left King Highways. Now it's time to go. I don't know. I know the next stop, but I just don't know the name. Guys, look. You park, you pay. Yeah, we're at Avenue U, guys.
You can take a picture if you want, like right here.
Yeah, I know.
This big circle, yeah.
Is this to stop?
No, don't stop, and then just exit.
No, because I look, do you know how much minutes I need to record? Only 60 minutes. So that's why I need to make a part 2, guys.
Okay.
Well, they don't make the next stop, guys. But I know what the next stop is. Just why is the train sounding? Oh, it's like a deep voice. Street, guys. We're at 86th Street, guys. 86th. Okay, we're at 86th Street. Guys, the last stop is what? Guys, the last stop was Coney Island, guys. The last stop is Coney Island. The last stop is Coney Island. You know, the last stop is Coney Island. Now, we almost left to Coney Island, guys. What is that right? What is that track right there? Guys, they say that if you're riding the M train to go to Coney Island, you will actually see the I see the Q train, guys. Look at the Q train. It's just sitting right there.
Oh yeah, the Q train.
Guys, now we're at Coney Island Yard. We're at Coney Island Yard. There's a Q train moving. There's a Q train moving, guys. Guys, we're at Q train. We're at Coney Island Yard.
Yeah, we're at Coney Island Yard. We're almost here.
Yes, look at Coney Island Yard.
Yeah, that's good.
Wait, is that a train? Wait a second, no way, we just found a red bird. We just found a red bird, bro. The red bird is rare to find, and we just saw the W train.
Look at the A train.
Yeah, that's an A train,
Look
girl.
at the A train and the W train. The W train is right next to it.
Yeah, and I saw a red bird.
Really?
Yeah, red bird is old trains. I think they just found it.
And then the N train.
Yeah, there's lots of cool trains here, guys. That's because the train yard. You know, yards really have lots of trains. Yards really have lots of trains. What is that train, guys? Wait, let me see what it is. I'm gonna tell you guys. I'm gonna tell you guys. I'm just gonna. Okay, guys, that's the N train.
We're almost here.
No, what we mean? You mean right
We're
here?
almost here. Yeah, we're here already.
God, we just left the train yard. We just left the train yard. God, I think I see a station right there. We see a station all the way right there. Yeah. That's our station to leave, guys. Guys, that's a bridge. This is we're at a bridge. Guys, we're here. We're here, guys. Yeah. We're here at Coney Island. Coney Island. We're at Coney Island, guys. We're at Coney Island. We drove all the way to Big Parkway to Brooklyn. We drove all the way to Big Parkway to Coney Island. Yep, I see a Coney Island station. I see a Coney
I see the Coney Island. You show the Ferris wheel.
There's a Ferris wheel all the way at the back. You can see it a little, look. There's a Ferris wheel right there, bro. Guys, and I think we're not going to make a part 2 because we're already here already. Yeah, guys, we're in. Yeah, we're here, guys. We're actually here. We're at Coney Island. Guys, there's some extraction here that there's tracks. And there's more, there's like a park here in the middle of Coney Island. We haven't seen this yet. So we never saw it when we were going to Coney Island. And yeah, guys, we're in the station. We're in the station. Yo, what is that big tower thing? Guys, look, we're at the station. We're at the station. And I just saw the Q train. Let me see if I can look at the. Let me see if I can. That side? Why not this side? Here, wait. Like, that's a cute train. We don't go out yet. Okay, don't go out. You can't even see it. There's one train right there. And it's the cute train. Broadway Express. Guys, there's a train right there. I know that's the Q train, guys. What time is gonna open? What time is it gonna open?